Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Honor 400 Lite. Okay, so we need to open up our WhatsApp. Now we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and from here we can get access to the settings. Now let's open up the chats, scroll down again, and now click on the chat backup. In here under the Google account, select your Google account, and if you don't have it in that window, the one that you're interested in, simply click on Add Account. Now we need to wait a little bit, and in here enter your mail, and if you want you can also create a new one by clicking right in here. Alright, below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly it will be set on off, but you can select between the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. Currently I set it on weekly, as you can see, so it means that each week the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually, so it's a pretty convenient option, and I suggest you should enable one of those options. Also below we have option to include the videos. Currently, as you can see, it's enabled, and below it you can see how many megabytes will be uploaded. Also, when it comes to the Google account, make sure that in the future, when you will want to restore your backup, you need to make sure that you will be logged into the same Google account on your phone if you want to restore it. Alright, and also on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you will create a unique password that you will need to restore your backup in the future. So if you want, you can create it, but please don't forget it. Alright, so once everything is selected, all you need to do now is to tap on backup. Now, as you can see, the process should start. Okay, and now you can see that the last backup was made at, and we have our hour and the size of it. Alright, so that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.